There exists a market so exclusive, so overflowing with wealth, that only a select few have dared to tap into it. And yet those who do, they do not struggle. They do not chase clients. No, they're sought after. I'm talking about jewelry. And if you are a videographer, you are sitting on a gold mine, whether you know it or not. Because jewelers, my friend, need you. And today, I will show you how to turn your camera into a money-making machine in this luxury industry. You see, a diamond does not sell itself. Gold, though precious, remains unnoticed until it is framed in light, in motion, and in story. The hard truth: most jewelers have stunning pieces, but they cannot capture their beauty through a lens. They lack that skill, and that, my friend, is where you step in. Did you know 73% of consumers say they are more likely to buy a product after watching a video? A photo can show a ring. A video transforms it into desire. And desire, my friend, is the force that makes people buy. Not all videos are created equal. The jewelry videographer who understands this does not just make videos, he makes wealth. And here are the 3 video styles that will make jewelers beg to hire you. Think slow motion. Think macro lenses revealing the microscopic perfection of a diamond. Think luxury. These are videos that get jewelers to say, "How much do you charge?" Because they need this level of quality. People do not just buy jewelry, they buy the story of its creation. Filming a jeweler shaping metal, setting stones, polishing the final masterpiece. This makes a piece worth more in the eyes of the buyer. Jewelry is not worn for its own sake. It is worn because it means something. A proposal, a legacy, and an achievement. When you create that video that shows jewelry in real moments of life, you make it unforgettable. You now know what to create. But how do you make jewelers pay you? Here's the system. Instagram and TikTok outreach. Most jewelers are already on these platforms struggling with bad content. DM them, show them what you can do. Turn their problem into your opportunity. YouTube and portfolio website. Jewelers won't trust you if they can't see your work. Build a portfolio and make it luxury. The higher you position yourself, the higher your rates can go. Cold outreach with proof. Go beyond, "Hey, do you need a video?" Instead, show them a before and after transformation. Make them see what they're missing, and they won't hesitate to hire you. The difference between an amateur and a professional is not just equipment. It is the technique. You have to master these elements and you will dominate this industry. Essential gear. Macro lenses. Because in jewelry, details are everything. Softbox lighting and reflectors. Because brilliance is crafted with light. Use a turntable for rotation shots. Because fluid movement equals luxury perception. Editing secrets. Use slow motion. Jewelry must be savored, not rushed. Music. Luxury has a sound. Choose wisely. Crisp contrast and highlight adjustments. Diamonds should look like stars. Now, if you price yourself too low, you will stay low. Understand this. Luxury brands do not look for cheap. They look for excellence. Price accordingly. Package your services. Number 1, basic video package, a simple 30-second product showcase. 2, premium story packages, a cinematic, emotional jewelry film. 3, full brand transformation, social media, videos, websites, banners, YouTube commercials. Become their go-to videographer. Now you can start rates at $500 to $1,500 per basic video. That's entry level. $2,000 to $5,000 per commercial style video. Mid-tier. $10,000 plus for full brand packages. For the high-end clients, the more you charge, the more you are valued. And in the luxury markets, perception is reality. Now you stand at the threshold of an untapped industry. You have two choices: walk away or step forward and claim your place. Jewelry brands are waiting. The market is ready. The only question is, will you be the one to master it? If you are ready to turn your videography into a six-figure business, start today. Create, reach out. And if this knowledge has ignited something in you, please then like this video, subscribe, and tell me what's stopping you from owning this industry. Also, check the link in the description to my jewelry shop. Thank you for watching.